Hey you guys, it's Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Yes, you guys, we are doing the updated debt snowball. It has been forever since August. August 16th is the last time I did a debt snowball, and as of May 10th, we subtracted some money. So before we get started, make sure you go and subscribe down below and let me know how you are doing on your debt snowball. And if you have any questions, leave those down below or check me over at Instagram and you can just shoot me a private message from there. So I already colored it in. I already filled out the information only because I had to redo this video already. So because I messed up, but we're still going to go through it. I'm going to redo it and I'm going to let y'all see my updated version. So these are the new markers that I got that I was coloring them. So these are the Erincondren dual tip pen brush. They come in a set of 6. So you have the fine tip and then you have a medium tip. So that is what it looks like, and it comes in 6 fun colors. There is some lighter colors if you want something more lighter, but I bought these and I wanted to color my debt in this, so that is fun. Now if you want these colors or this planner, the referral link is down below. You get $10 off your first purchase and then I get $10 in points, so it's a win-win for you guys. And also I am a affiliated link with Share Sale finally, so I am partnered with them. So every time you use the link also and you buy something, then I get a small commission. I do not want to hide that from you guys. I really don't. So I just wanted to let y'all know. But anyways, we are going to get started, get something to drink, eat some popcorn, get settled in, because this is going to be fun. And I know it's been a long awaited for a lot of people who has subscribed to me. All right. So the loans that you see here are all the student loans. And then the credit card is my American Eagle Visa card. And then my car. So loan D right now is at $1,088.88. It was at, which we can flip back and forth, but it's gonna make me flip the planner all sideways and everything. So we're gonna go through the debt and then I'm gonna show you what I colored in and everything. All right, so loan D as of the August 10th, we're at $1,088.88. Loan B is $1,262.63. Loan A is at $1,865.80. Credit card, which is my American Eagle, is at $2,429.52. Loan C is at $2,253.71. And the car is coming in at a whopping $14,827, given our total is $23,727.54. So that is a lot. I think my last one was like $29,000. So we actually did a pretty good bit of damage. But disclaimer, I'm just going to tell y'all this. The student loans, I do not have interest on it right now. So it's not going to be, interest is not going to be put on until September. So my goal is to knock out at least loan D by September and then pay the rest minimums for this. So that is my goal. So we'll see how that comes, and let me know how much update y'all want me to do. Do y'all want me to do it a month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 6 months? It doesn't matter. I haven't done it since August. So that is whoa, that's way past 6 months. So, but anyway, so this is my debts update. So we are at a whopping $23,727.54. So we are going to flip to everything, just so y'all can see. So we are at the emergency fund. So my emergency fund is sitting at $882. So I did use pretty good bit of my check that everybody else, or hopefully everybody, got. So I put most of it in my savings. So I colored in all but 2. So that was $1,000 that needs to be towards the emergency fund, but we only put $882. So we're roughly about what, $120, $118 left before we are fully funded once again. And everybody knows that I did have $1,000 one time ago, but I had to buy like some cars, not cars, but I had to buy like tires for my cars and everything. So I had to, yeah, I just don't want it. That's like a bitter taste in my mouth. So we're not going to talk about that ever again. All right, so $1,000 is needed in here. We have $882. All right, loan D. We were at $1,277.23. And as I said, we are at $1,088.88. So my goal is to pay it off before interest kicks back in. So I did color. So the difference is $188.35 since August. So I did color in 1. Loan B, the total was $1,430.68. Since then, it is at $1,262.63. making it a difference of $168.05. So I did color 1 in. And each box is $100 if you have not caught on to that yet. Loan A, total was $2,162.76. Since then, it is at $1,865.80. And that is a difference of $296.96. So I colored 2 in. Credit card. So now credit card still has the interest on it, but my credit card is canceled because I have not been swiping it for like 2 years now. So it's canceled. They're like, oh, well, you're not using it, so might as well just cancel your card so you don't swipe it, which is fine because I have no idea where this card is. I think I like cut it up or it's in a freezer or something. I have no idea. But anyway, so the total is, or was back in August, $2,533.63. We are at $2,429.52, which is making it a difference of $382.52. So I did not color. Oh, I need to color one more in, you guys. So this one was already colored, so we had to color 3 boxes. I don't know why I only colored 2, but it's fine. We shall color it. All right, so 3 of the boxes are colored. All right, loan C was at $2,812.04. Right now it is at $2,253.71, making it a difference of $279.92. So 2 of them was already marked from our last debt snowball update. And then right now it is at 2 purples. I had to color 2 purples in. All right, car loan. So the car loan was at $18,943.67. And right now it is at $14,827. So that is a difference of $4,116.67. So we colored in 2 lines and 1 square. So the 2 lines, there is a total of 20 on each. So that's 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, and 4,000. And then 100. Wedding savings, you guys. So if you watch my sinking funds, y'all will know that I have been saving money. Jared and I have been saving money to get money for like a down payment, for decorations, you know, all that stuff. So I did count it, and our total for the whole year is, we are aiming at $1,400, but we have, you know, we spent some of our like fun money and all the other stuff. But we are at $286 right now. So I colored in 2. So as soon as we reach $500, which my plan is to reach it hopefully at the end of the summer and then book our venue. So I'm super excited about that, but I am being patient. You know, our wedding's not until 2021 in October, but I know there's a lot of stuff that needs to be done. But anyways, let's go back to our debt snowball one more time. Our debt update. So this is our debt update, you guys, and I am super excited. I can't wait to be debt free. I really can't. And, you know, my motto is slow and steady wins the race. That is my motto. A lot of people that I've watched are like knocking these debts down. Like they are like so good at knocking these debts down. And I applaud y'all. Like I really do applaud y'all, you guys. Y'all are killing it. Everybody that I do watch. But I'm just slower at doing it. Oh look, there's a marker. Anyways, I'm just a little bit slower at doing it, and I hope y'all are okay with that. But hopefully I can knock this down sooner or later. But anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed this video and let me know how you're doing, and hit that notification, because every time you hit that notification, you will be updated, or you will be notified that I uploaded a video, so you won't miss the party. And I can always, you know, communicate with you guys. Usually when I upload, I'm usually on. So let me know if you have any questions, and hit me up on Instagram if you are wanting to know more about the debt snowball. If I use Dave Ramsey, which I kind of do, kind of don't, but I will let y'all know all of that, or leave a comment. But anyways, I hope y'all have a great weekend, and I will see you guys later. Bye.